Hello guys, this is me Abhinay, your own technical analyst from the CK crew. In this video I will tell you how you can join Coinskid Discord, or you can say Patreon tier 2 Discord via crypto if you don't wanna join with the classic Patreon. The advantages you have in this are, first of all, you will get it at cheaper price. Patreon subscription is at $15 per month, but the crypto subscription it at $10 per month. And also, if you join from the Patreon, then if you even join on the 31st of the month, then it will charge you for the entire month and will charge you again on the first, mean the next day. So you will get fucked out by the Patreon in the simple way, and that will charge you for a whole month for just one day if you do it in the later half of the month. So but in the crypto system you will get 28 days from the day of the subscription you buy, uh, till the it ends. Okay, first of all, what you have to do is join the Coinskid Discord server, which is the free. But if you don't have joined it already, then you can either search it on PC, or if you are on mobile, then I will drop an invite link to this server in the description of this video, from where you can join it. And then what you have to do is go into the stellar uplink section. If you wanna revise it or wanna see it more clearly, then you can go in CryptoLink tutorial and you can see uh, Jan has explained all the things already here. So for taking subscription, first of all, what you have to do is go into the stellar uplink channel, then type here exclamation mark. There should be no space but with the exclamation mark. So what I would do is remove the space. My keyboard generates space automatically after this special character, so I will remove it. If yours doesn't, then you don't have to. Then I would type here register, and you will have to do the same. Then you will get a DM from the CryptoLink. Here you can see it has said that account has been successfully registered into the system and wallet is created. Then what you have to do is again go into the stellar uplink, again type the same and give the command of wallet deposit. Then you will again receive message from the CryptoLink in your DM, and here is your public address and memo. What you have to do is copy these two and deposit XLMs into it, of the amount what you wanna do. For example, the $10, the subscription is of $10, and you can calculate it how it becomes $10, mean to say how much amount becomes $10 to it, and you can copy those and paste them and deposit XLMs into it. So let me do it. By the way, you can also use this QR code if you don't wanna copy these. Then if you wanna download it, then what you have to do is click this download option, or externally what you can do is type this icon, confirm. It will take you to a browser, and then you have to long press it and download image. So now let me deposit my XLM into it. So I have deposited XLM into it, and by the way, you will receive a DM in CryptoLink, but to confirm it that or check balance you have in your Discord account, what you can do is type exclamation mark wallet space balance, and then what you will receive it is this is my XLM wallet balance. This is the uh, transaction hash, or from where, which wallet you sent, and when you received it. So then what we would do is just simply go there, type exclamation mark, type membership, subscribe, adopter, send. And then here you can see I have successfully purchased the membership adopter in the value of 50 XLM, which will expire in 26th February 2022. And here in the I have now all these sections unlocked of the Coinskid server. And now what you can see is I have almost 19 XLM in my account, left in my account. So if I wanna send XLM to anyone, or you can say show support to any of the crew, then what would type is, I do is exclamation mark send at the rate, and then suppose I'm going to send myself Abhinay, then amount what you wanna send, I will send 18, and then any message if you wanna type, then hey, so sorry, I forgot to type XLM 18 XLM. So here I just received 18 XLMs in my own account, and these have been deducted from this account. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys would have known how to use the CryptoLink system, or you can say XLM system implemented in Discord. If you like this video, then kindly smash the like button, share it with your friends, those who wanna uh, join the Coinskid server, and thank you for watching.